We are here at the Nix Nature Center. Caitlin's looking through the telescope. What do you see, Caitlin? You don't see anything? Do you see the wilderness?
No, I see a big white space.
Oh, that's the clouds. Why don't you tilt it down a little bit? There. Now can you see the meadow?
Ooh, it's very pretty with yellow flowers.
You see yellow flowers?
Very pretty.
Ooh, it looks nice. Caitlin's listening to the spirit animals. What do they sound like? Caitlin is doing an archaeological dig here at the Nix Nature Center. What did you find? A shell? And a fossil? Oh, what's that? I think that's called a nautiloid. It says here the things that you can find. These are the things that you have to look for. Found another one? What are you doing? You're making the corn into cornmeal like the Indians used to do, or Native Americans? With a rock, pounding the corn. That's cool.
Yeah, like that.
You're grinding acorns for a meal.
Not acorns.
Yeah, that's what it says. Imagine how hard it would be to grind acorns for a meal. Is that hard? Do you think that would be hard to make a meal that way?